Try and take this piece of plastic and throw it away off that net wrap. Guess we found a new toy. Have a good day, everybody. Well, there's where the one that I took out looks like. You might be able to see a little bit of fiber there. She's pretty well chooched. That one looks so much better. I bet it holds. Yeah. My God. I'm just getting it cleaned up. I'm going to start putting it back together. Yeah, that's totally hosed. Yeah, and there's a wobble box. There's bearings that are, I don't know which one it was. One of them's junk. Blah, blah, blah. Just takes money. Just throw money at everything. John Deere, throw money at him. Have a good day, buddy. Good thing it's grass. Got a little green at the bottom. Just trying to get it rolled a little Dale later on tonight. Got 3 John Deere benders out here running. We're actually getting something done now. Got a bale that's all in singles that never got raked, but we're hammering on it now. I guess I don't know. I must be about 140 some bales already rolled through mine. So it's kind of cool to have 3 of them running. We're in unison. God, this is a lot of fun. You put 3 balers way faster. Thank you, Shannon. The man. Oh, hey, where you going? Get back here. That shit right there. Look at it. Fucking no good. Premier rakes, I'm telling you. You guys should never try to rake this old crap together with them things. It sucks. Flops back out. This sucks. Yeah, I'm just idling along. I must be going the way they raked it, because the other, I just come back that way and I could run about 5 miles an hour with it. Me not know.